How to create image polls on YouTube. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can create image polls on YouTube. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to create polls on your YouTube channel, you need to follow the steps. First of all, launch your YouTube application onto your device. After launching your YouTube application onto your device, you'll be able to see this interface on your home screen after you have logged in. So in order to go on with the process of creating a poll on your YouTube channel, on YouTube, you just need to click on this plus icon at the bottom. You can see home, short, subscriptions, and you, and in the middle you'll be able to see the plus icon. So simply click on plus icon. So after clicking on the plus icon on the bottom, you'll be finding video, short, live, and post option. So you're just gonna get to this post option at the bottom. Just swipe to the right, and here you'll be able to see photo and poll option here at the bottom, above the bottom options under photos. You can see it. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you can add image or text in order to create a poll. I'm just going to select a few images here. So when you tap on add, you'll be able to see this option 1 and option 2. You can just tap on option, add option, and you can create up to 4 option. 4 is the maximum, as I said. After that, you're just going to click on this image section and you're just going to select picture. Let me just select a few pictures here. After you're done selecting the picture, you may just type in name for your option if you want for each of the 4, and you may ask a question with the community of the YouTube, like, you know, for example, which is your favorite superhero among this 4, like that, and just post it. After that, after doing so, you just need to post it. Let me just type in random for now and post it on my account. You may just choose your audience as well if you want, and wait for the post to be completed. After your post is created, just head over to profile at the bottom right. After that, when you head over to the community section, you'll be finding your poll that you have created using your photos on your device. So you may just click on any of the option, or your audience just may click on any of the option to answer your questions, and that should basically do. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.